What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're reviewing the L'Oreal Infallible 32-hour Fresh Wear Foundation. I've been wanting to try this out for quite some time now because it's so popular and people seem to really love it and gravitate towards it. So let's get straight into it and give it a try. I'm trying out the 32-hour Fresh Wear versus the 24-hour, which I think is the original one. And the 32-hour is slightly different in that it also offers some vitamin C ingredients and also has SPF 25. So I just wanted to get into a little bit of what the Infallible 32-hour Fresh Wear says it offers, in case you're looking for a new foundation and you might want to try this one out as well. L'Oreal claims that this foundation is transfer proof, it is full coverage and long wearing, hence the name 32-hour. And it also has an innovative oxygen technology that gives the foundation a lightweight, breathable finish. It's a foundation that has a satin finish, so it's not too matte, but you won't get that glowing effect that you generally get when you have foundations with ingredients like vitamin C. I'm adding another layer of foundation because I started light and I'm working my way up. This way I have more control on the overall finish of the foundation. Then I just blend. I'm also trying out the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer for the first time and I absolutely love it. I fell in love with it from first application. I actually think I love the concealer more than the foundation, but it's too early to tell. Again, I take my time with blending the concealer because a great base application makes all the difference. Then between steps, I try to remember to mist my face with setting spray as it helps the makeup last longer. I'm using the Yardley Absolute Translucent Powder to set my concealer. I swear guys, changing from a yellow based setting powder to a translucent one has been such a game changer to my makeup. Next up are my brows with the LA Brow Kit, an oldie but a goodie. Then I contour with MAC Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation in NW55, and I make sure to take my time with blending my contour to avoid any harsh lines. I'm also using MAC to set my whole face with the MAC Dark Deep Mineralized Skin Finish. I love this stuff. It is such a great oldie but goodie. I swear I love it. MAC is still, I still think, I don't know, like people are quiet about MAC, but I still really love it as a brand. I think it is timeless and has always catered to darker skins, and I just really love their products. To finish the look, I use a rosy blush Then I use the MAC Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation again on my eyes as my eyeshadow. Some mascara. I'm using the Maybelline Colossal Big Shot. I like rolling my mascara wand from the base to give it volume and length, and I also take my time with this. Alright guys, this is the final look. I have put on my setting spray and let it sit. I do like the overall effect. I think it's not too matte looking. The satin finish is really evident. I also think the primer that I used the Max Strobe primer. I think that really helped because it's quite a hydrating primer, so the overall finish doesn't look really dried down, really matte. Instead it still has that glowy effect, which I really like. And yeah, I think if you're looking for something that is long wearing, affordable, transfer proof, then give this a try. I do like my first impression of it. I do like the first impression of this. I think this is definitely something to consider. I will say though that for L'Oreal to have such a limited range of darker foundations in our department stores, I just don't think that's acceptable in a country that is majority black. And so I would hope that they extend the range for the darker hues, but the ones that they do have are really good. It was quite easy to find my match, and so give it a try. Let me know what you think, and yeah, I'll chat to you later. Okay, bye. Thank you. Bye.